So I was playing with Lander Studio the other day and realized this is a really good all-in-one solution if you're a beginner producer. Check this out. They have a dedicated sample library with pretty much everything you need for breaks, bass sounds, vocals, and more. Here's a collection of some of my favorite drum and bass samples.
Wanna avoid you, but you keep looking so damn fine.
There's even a great collection of plug-in instruments and effects that get you started. Love that they have Analog Lab Intro and even Ableton Lite. They even have a full library of video courses for Ableton, FL Studio, Logic, and more. I can see you can learn everything from mixing, mastering, even social media. Here's the kicker. They included Lander Mastering plugin, which came out recently, so now you can master your tracks straight from your DAW. The collaboration section is pretty cool too. You can find like-minded producers to collaborate with or even get feedback. There's even a section where you can hire a session musician, a mix engineer, or even a video producer. And once you finish your track, you can get it up on Spotify and all your favorite platforms straight from Lander Studio, which is pretty cool. Get a discount for Lander Studio with the link down below.